Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You must confirm you own the laptop or have explicit permission before proceeding, otherwise stop now. Next, locate the account recovery items tied to the lock screen, the registered email, phone number, or recovery codes. These are the legitimate ways to regain access. Once confirmed, make sure the laptop is charged and connect it to the internet. You will need that to follow official reset flows. I'll show official methods that reveal access by recovery, not by bypassing security. Start with the operating system's official recovery. For Windows, choose I forgot my password and follow the Microsoft account verification via email or phone. For Mac OS, use Apple ID or recovery mode if file vault is off. If the device is managed by an organization, contact the IT administrator and provide proof of ownership. They can reset credentials centrally. These methods work because they tie access to verified identity, preserving security while restoring your login. Once recovery verification completes, set a new, strong password and enable recovery options like a secondary email or authenticator app. If recovery isn't possible and data is backed up, a factory reset or OS reinstall will restore access. Make sure you have backups first. If you're still blocked, contact an authorized service center or your device maker with purchase proof. This avoids illegal bypass techniques and preserves the device warranty. One tip: enable a password manager.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.